everyone, so today I am filming a new video. Also just realised that I just did that very loudly, so apologies to anyone in my flat who heard that. Today I am finally filming my room tour, my university hall's room tour. So yeah, I think I've pretty much got everything where I want it to be. I thought I'd give you a little tour. So I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the front door as you come in. So on the back of the door we actually get three like double hooks. So I've just got like all my I've got all my like coats on here and a couple of scarves, and then like this which I wear like at night time and stuff. Yeah, I've just got that on the back of the door. Then just over to the side of that I have got these shelves. So on the top one I have just got miscellaneous stuff. So I've got a shower cap, dustpan and brush, hairdryer, iron, belt. And the next one I've just got bags. This one is like medical stuff but also like spare skincare bits. I've got umbrella, scarf, hats, makeup bags there. This shelf is like my products, so I've just got shampoos and conditioners, tanning stuff, body scrubs, also a doorstop, but we're not really allowed to use them because it's like a fire door, so you have to keep them shut. And then this bottom one I've just got my shoes. So then moving across we have got my wardrobe. On the top of my wardrobe I literally just got a massive bag of like Quaver packets because, you know, it's like cheaper just to get a massive bag. I've also got Monopoly, the Essex edition, because I do go to University of Essex, so I thought people around here who don't know Essex, like I know it, this would be a good one. And I've also got a bottle of lemonade because it wouldn't fit anywhere else. So I'm going to go into the wardrobe now. So here is a quick overview of the wardrobe. So we've got this long shelf across the top. So I've just got my trousers up here. This shelf I have got, this is the top that I actually wore on the first day, so I know that I've worn it once, if you get what I mean. I've also got a belt that I wore the other day as well, and then I've got hoodies here. This one is pajamas, and this one I've got these two boxes, and this is just like full of underwear. And this bottom one I've just got an overnight bag and gym stuff here. Then obviously I've got all my clothes here. It's not really ordered very well, but I've just got all my clothes hanging up there, and also down the side I've just got my Era, and that is it for the wardrobe, guys. So then the other side of my door, my ensuite. So this is my ensuite. It's really nice. So yeah, it's quite small obviously. Also the only thing I don't like about this place is it's all grey and white, but then there's blue carpet and like blue floor in here. But anyway, I've got my bath mat from IKEA. We actually got provided with a bin, and I've got some toilet rolls, bleach, and we also got provided with a toilet brush. I've also just got like sanitary products and tampons and stuff down there. And on the back of the door there's two little hooks, so I've just got my dressing gown and my towel. And then we've got a little towel rail here, so I've just got a little hand towel which is not straight. God, I should have tidied up before I spoke to you guys. I've got a big old mirror, and yeah, next to the toilet is just the sink. I would normally have my face wash on here, but I actually went home last night, so that's actually all packed up right now, and so is my electric toothbrush. But yeah, I've just got my hand soap, and then up here I've got my toothbrush charger, some Febreze. This is like limited edition spiced apple. It's very Christmassy, it's very nice. I've got my moisturiser and my hand cream, some flannels, and like these little spongy face sponge things, spare toothbrush head, and this, the lighting's gone funny. Realised I had it on the wrong setting. So yeah, but I've just got my toothbrush holder here, so it's just got toothbrush, toothpaste, and I've got this little succulent from IKEA. And then this is just my shower. So I've just got shower gel and razor down there, and then there's two little hooks up here, so I've just got my little squeegee and my loofah. So this is just the overview of the rest of the room. So I've just got my bed here. So along the back I've just got some autumn leaves which I literally got years ago. I couldn't tell you where they're from. I've also got some fairy lights which I think were from like Sainsbury's or Tesco's or something when I originally got them. Got my little lamp which is from Sainsbury's, my Google Nest Mini, a couple of coasters. This is like a one-line a day book, so you like write a line in it every single day of like what you did in your day or something for 5 years, which is really cool. But yeah, I've been doing that for like a year and a half now. Box of tissues, my alarm clock, and another succulent here. They are from IKEA. And then this is my bed. So it is a small double, although I definitely think it's bigger than the small double that was at Brighton. So yeah, I don't know what's going on there. The bedding is from Amazon. I'll try and link it below if I can find it. The cushions I just bought these from home. I bought all of this pretty much from home. So them 2 cushions are from Primark and this one's from the range. Then I've got my big dog Teddy. I've just got a blanket over the end, and this is my view. So we've got a big old window, but I've only got the blind halfway because I am on the first floor, but I have got the back end view, which is actually really good because that means people aren't gonna like walk past apart from like up there, but they won't be able to really see. So yeah, I've got quite a nice little view out my window, and I've literally just got my little like everyday bag here, my wash basket here. I've got a couple of gym stuff, so I've got my yoga mat and my resistance bands, and then I've got camera equipment down here, so tripods. That's my camera bag, and I've also got an extension lead, and then I have my ring light here, and then a big old mirror, which is actually so nice. I'm very happy that we had that. Just coming across, obviously I have got my desk. So yes, so this chair did come with the room, but I've just put my rug from IKEA over it just to make it a little bit more cute. I've got fairy lights around here, but they need new batteries. Just got kind of stuff from home, just the basics. I've got a load of rubbish literally on top of my printer, but yeah, highlighters and stuff, like a few little stationery bits, perfume, my switch, my laptop, my diary, makeup brushes, camera stuff, all of that good stuff. And we've got a like little cork board type thing here, so I've just got some little things up on that, and we have a light like underneath there, which is also really good. I've got a drawer here, which I had a drawer separator for, so yeah, I've just put like my makeup in here, but half of it's missing again because I went home last night. And then we also have a cupboard down here, so again I've just really got random stuff in here, and there's like printer paper and stuff, but yeah, a few little snacky bits, some like bin liners, tissues, sunglasses, literally just random stuff. Then they also gave us a bin for in here, and I have my hair straighteners down there. And then I have these drawers which are from Sainsbury's, which I bought with me from home. So I just have like skincare bits in the top one. Then I've got hair stuff, chargers, and then random stuff in the bottom one. Then coming up to these shelves, this shelf I've literally just got some fruit bits that I'm like waiting to ripen. Stationery stuff. So on here I've literally just got this plant from IKEA and the pots from IKEA as well. Some more little stationery bits and my Instax Polaroid camera. This top one, I've just got alcohol over here, obviously. The other 2 plant little like succulent, fake succulents from IKEA. Good luck card and some books and notebooks and my binder. But yeah, that is it guys, that is it for my room. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Also make sure to check out my social media, which is on the screen now, and subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all very, very soon with a new one. Bye!